I want to thank each of you customers for being part of Tractian over the years. Our mission has always been to make the routines of maintenance and manufacturing professionals, the backbone of our economy, more productive and reliable. We are obsessed about revolutionizing the lives of these frontline workers with cutting-edge hardware and software. Our streamlined solutions give real-time information to maintenance technicians and comprehensive oversight to operational leaders. We have now grown to over 300 employees spread across the United States, Mexico, and Brazil. Build teams hyper-focused on every feature and have served over 500 industries and more than 1,000 facilities worldwide. The impact of our product is jaw-breaking, with an average of $6,000 savings per asset that we monitor in a 6 to 12x ROI, with a payback in less than 3 months. That's only possible because of our blue cap attitude, which means that we listen carefully to our customers and have our boots on the ground to solve your maintenance problems with you. Our technology also holds fault detection patents under the USPTO, as well as an SAP certification as Silver Partner. That's a lot of accomplishments, and we have no plans of slowing down. I'm extremely excited and proud to add one more to the list. We're now bringing General Catalyst to the team and have raised $45 million in our Series B to boost AI-driven maintenance operations. With this fundraise, we'll expand teams across all areas and keep doing what we do the best. Support your maintenance operations while investing in technology innovation to get our product to its most innovative and reliable state. We'll continue to improve existing tools and develop new features, including one I'm particularly excited about. Tractian launched the AI-assisted maintenance category. One of the most fascinating aspects of this is the ability to provide recommendations and suggested courses of action based on assertive data collected from thousands of assets around the world. This will undoubtedly change how industries function on a daily basis and provide unimaginable support to maintenance professionals. By combining shop floor expertise with our technology, maintainers will be able to address issues with unprecedented accuracy and speed, with human-in-the-loop feedback to enrich the system with who knows best, you. Remote monitoring also helps with safety initiatives. It gives companies a competitive advantage while allowing you to focus time and efforts on people and their safety, instead of focusing that on reactive maintenance programs. I can't wait for you to see what else is coming. Thank you for being part of this journey.